amefungwa miaka 67 na yeye amekuwa cleared bila order yoyote. Wakati Waititu aliwekwa kwa ballot ya Nairobi, aliwekwa aende all the way to the by election kwa debe bila order yoyote ile. Kwa hivyo leo sisi tumeshangaa, baada ya kumaliza ile swala la degree imekuwa certified, tukaambiwa tulete order. Tumeonyesha communication ya Deputy Registrar Supreme Court kusema appeal yetu Supreme Court iko very active na inakuja mention tarehe 10 ya hii mwezi. Kwa hivyo mimi sioni vizuizi zile tunawekewa, na this is what I'm telling IEBC. I want to repeat myself. Is there a law for Sonko, law for Waititu, law for Chebukati, for Weluke? No. We only have one constitution here, Kenya, that was promulgated in 2010. And the law is very clear. If you have been convicted or sentenced, or there is any decision that has been passed against you, you cannot be disqualified unless or until you exhaust all the avenues of appeal. The Bill of Rights, the presumption of innocence. Na istoshe, my chances ya my appeal to succeed are very high. One of the judges who presided over my impeachment has been fired, has been suspended by the president. The returning officer has taken all the relevant documents. She had forwarded them to the Director of Legal Affairs, IEBC. She's waiting for the response. Maybe tomorrow we can come back here, but we shall follow those avenues. We shall follow the law to the end.